Florida's Technology and Learning Connections project brings you this video as part of our AT and UDL Loan Libraries Tips and Tricks series. Today, we'll be looking at the evaluation stand from the wheelchair standpoint. Now remember, we also have the tabletop mount, and if you want to take a look at that video, it is also available on our video library where you can check out how to set it up at a tabletop and not worry about setting it up on a student's wheelchair. All right, we are ready to put together our evaluation stand. I'm going to start with my base. Let's take a closer look. Here you can see I've got the base, the back of leg 2, the front of leg 2, the back of leg 1, and the front of leg 1. Let's take a closer look at how that leg goes together. Here's my V base, and you can see here that there is a hole. We are going to slide the front leg. The foot goes on the bottom. I'm going to slide that front leg through, and I'm going to attach the back leg. The foot is on the bottom, and I'm going to slide that front leg into the back leg. I can tighten those knobs here to make sure it's nice and secure. Now my student's wheelchair can fit here. Next, we're ready to build the spine. I'm going to attach my vertical spine to the vertical post on the base. I've got a middle piece that includes 2 knobs. There's my middle with 2 knobs. I've got a top piece with 1 knob, and I've got my relocator bar. We'll start with that middle piece that attaches to the base. Base goes here. I'm going to loosen that knob so it can slide all the way on. There it goes. And I can tighten there. Now I'm ready for the top piece. Here's my top piece. The top goes here. Sliding those 2 arrows together. I can tighten this knob to keep it nice and secure. Now I've got my base with the middle piece and the top piece. My middle piece has the 2 knobs. My top piece has the single knob. And now you'll see that there is a circle at the top. And yes, that is the location where our round pole goes into a square hole. Here's my relocator with the 2 poles. I've got the red marked here, and it is going to go into that round, where that round red circle indicates. I can tighten this knob to make sure it's nice and secure, and I have my relocator bar there. Now that I've got this set up, I'm ready to attach a mounting arm. Thanks for watching. Check out the next video in the series for our next steps.